we knew our headcount was either locked in or dropping. So we had to do something to keep up with productivity. So the cobots helped, but they didn't help as much as we needed them to. And the cobot has a very limited reach. And what would happen is we would have a tray of parts that, depending on the cycle time of the machine, the cobot would run through pretty quickly. So unless there's an operator right there, we're running out of parts, and there's just times when the cobot sits empty.
Greatest benefits of the ASRS is, not only that you can automatically cycle through 17 trays of parts in front of the robot, those trays are fully capable of high mixture environments. So when you have rectangular parts, circular parts, whatever shape you can come up with, these trays can adapt to those. We ended up going to a thermoformer, and when you make one mold, you can use that same mold for hundreds of trays. And that way we just keep that mold on a shelf. If we need more, we just pull it off and make more.
Even when you finish parts, they'll stack them up and they'll move that whole crate of finished parts to the next job. Well, then they gotta unstack them one by one, and that's hours of worker just bending over, picking up a weighted piece, and over time, it's not safe and it's not time effective. So using our rack system, it just takes all that risk out of it. In 2021, because of this ASRS system and these cobots and all this deployment, PBC Linear was able to increase their sales by 33% while only increasing headcount by 3%. I know so many shops right now are down from 2 shifts running just 1. This opens the door for 3 shifts. And once you get from 1 to 3 shifts, your cobot might pay for itself in 3 months, but a cobot and an ASRS, those investments combined will pay for itself in a month and a half.
Learn more at pbclinear.com.